Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we are going to discuss Anwar's dream, which is the first chapter of the book. Before discussing this, we have to take an view of words to know. The first word is biting, using teeth to cut into something, and the next word is counting, saying the numbers one after the other to get into the total. The third word is nodding, letting your head fall forwards when tired and falling asleep. So, we are going to read what Anwar is dreaming about. It's a hot day. Anwar is in his garden. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Anwar is counting ants, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They are climbing a dead tree. Anwar is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Is Anwar thinking? No, he is not. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. He is dreaming about something. Anwar is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. He is chopping it with an axe. Chip, chip. Anwar falls down. Crack, crack, crick. Anwar shouts, ouch, ouch, ouch. Anwar wakes up. The ants are biting Anwar. Nip, nip, nip. Now he is dancing and shouting and running. Ow, ow, ow. Thanks. This is the end of the story.